Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute bumped ends. You know when your mom used to be like, I'm about to just bump your ends, and you didn't really want your ends bumped. This is what ideally I would have wanted my ends bumped looking like. So if you want your ends to be bumped like this and you want to know how I got this full install along with the baby hair and you know everything else that comes with it, go ahead and keep on watching. And thank you to Wiggins hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this unit. Yes, I do get sent all these wigs, but all opinions are always my own, and when something shitty I'm gonna tell you, but I ain't got nothing shitty to tell you today because I really enjoyed this unit. So go ahead and keep watching if you want to see how I got it done.
All I gotta say is mwah, and you already know who it is.
Hello, let's get on into it. Today I just want to throw on this wig really quick. Like, my goal in this whole thing is to make this a really quick process. I'm gonna do it using my E-Pen spray, and I've already gone ahead and done 2 layers on top, and now we can go ahead and do our 3rd layer to install. Before we get to doing that, let's talk about this wig right quick. This is a 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig from Wiggins. It's one of those highlight wigs, but it's a little different. I did go ahead and use some purple shampoo so that the highlights in it would be a little cooler, because I did notice that they were a little warm. So here's the before from that, and then here's the after the shampoo and conditioner, purple shampoo and conditioner. So I really like how the cool toned version of it looks. I feel like it was just a bit too warm. Today I want to do just like a bumped ends style. I've seen a lot of girls on TikTok doing some bumped ends styles, and I really like them, so I'm gonna give it a go. I don't know if I'm gonna do a side part or a middle part. I really want to do a side part, but if the middle part calls me today, like, I'll answer the phone, you know? I always pluck and bleach my wigs before putting them on, so I just want to show you guys the cap construction. Wiggins wigs usually come with the full 13x4 frontal all the way around. Forgot to mention, I'm going to go ahead and add some even tinted lace spray on there as well. This wig is a body wave texture, but I did go ahead and let it air dry, and this is what it looks like in its natural state. I wanted it to be a little bit big so that when I do my bumped ends, it kind of looks full, and like, this is the right kind of density of hair that I'm looking for personally. So everything is looking really good. My middle part is in the middle. Now we can get to cutting off the ear tabs. Fuck them up even more, they see me walk that shit. I ain't have a clue, Off-White cost that shit. I ain't tripping cause I got it, so I bought that shit. Now that I've got my ear tabs cut, we can go ahead and cut our 2 slits and push this shit to the back and spray this Even Active Wonder Lace Bond and get to slaying, because I just don't feel like I'm gonna look so good. Like, I don't know, I just feel it in my heart. Lace is on. The wig is on. What's better than this? Now it's time to razor off the lace and, you know, a zigzaggy motion. And I will go ahead and spray this over top after I razor off the lace. I'm sorry I can't talk through this process. The blow dryer just be so loud and like, I gotta get done. So I'll see you in a second. I went ahead and cut off all the excess lace and put on this scarf. And now I think I really want to do a middle part. Like I think not a middle part. A lot. I think I really want to do a side part. Like not me trying to force this middle part on myself. Yeah, the middle part's cute, but I really want a bomb side part. So that's what we're going to do. Yeah, that actually looks really nice. So I'm just going to take a few pieces at a time and just use my hot comb to just make it go that way instead. I really want this to be like a super flat side part. I'm going to use the Easy Edges edge stick and just, you know, add a little bit, a little section that I'm doing just so that it can really lay flat. I'm pretty pleased with this parting space. So now go ahead and take off this scarf. Period. I mean, it's even like I got like a flat iron. I got a silk press. It's giving silk press. It's giving silk press for real. Go ahead and add a little bit of silk drops. Did you know these are out of stock? Or something, because I went to look it up on the website so I could make a link for it for y'all. Like, it's not there. It's very sad. Good thing I have a 10-year supply. Like, I'm gonna do this side off camera so I can see what the technique I want to do is, and then come back for this side when I know. Before I even get to flat ironing and bumping the side of my hair, I completely forgot to say that I was gonna cut it. So I was about to cut it off camera, and then y'all been like, why is the hair this length? I believe this is an 18-inch wig. I'm gonna cut it to be about 16, maybe like 15, even though it goes by twos. And then now that I have it to like a length that seems nice for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a few little pointed scissor ticks so that it's not so bulky, because I still want it to be blunt but just not, you know, super bulky. And already it just looks a different type of dents. Like this dents just seems a little more flowy. This seems bulky over here. So that's what I'm gonna do on this side. Now that I've cut my hair to the appropriate length, I can get to bumping, and like I said before, I'll be back when I finish the other side. So let's do a spin. So I've got all these ends bumped. I went and did it section by section, but you're gonna go ahead and see what I did. But that was the kind of thing I was going for. So I'm glad it looks pretty good, and like all the individual like bumps are like keeping their own bump. So I like that. Now we can move on to this side, and I'll do it in front of y'all this time. See it out walk past the nigga. Damn, nigga, that's the same boys that clapped your nigga. See, that's why I can't even trap with these niggas. And then now, I don't know if you noticed, but I was spraying the curls with the Slash and Shaper Plus spray. Final spray for this bang area. And I think I'm gonna try to do this to the other side as well. Like this little inner circle bump thing going on. Alright, I went ahead and cut the other side and rebumped it so that it could look symmetrical. And now that it does look symmetrical, we can move forward onto the baby hair. Now that I've got everything curled, I'm gonna take, actually, y'all remember a long time ago I used this Style Factor Edge Booster Gel, and I was like, this is trash. I changed my mind. I like it now. So I'm gonna use just this to do my edges. I think it's really good. So, well, I've never done it on a wig yet. Let's see. Let's see if it's actually as good as I think it is. I know it's not thick enough for me for my edges, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use this one instead. Well, like in combination with, I guess, not instead. Baby hair is finally done after I can't see in this eye no more. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera and I'll be back. Baby hair is done on this side. I don't like my sideburn. I don't care. I gotta go. So hair is all curled. Now it's just time for final touches. I am gonna go ahead and use a little bit more hairspray on the top of my hair just so that I can really make it flat and go the direction I want to go in. That's the sound we want to hear. I always get a lot of questions about my lip combo, and today I'm just going to use the NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie with a brown lip liner. I went ahead and zoomed out so I can get the full length of the hair and how the bumps look. I am a fan. I feel beautiful. And I'm ready to go. I gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm glad this was a very, quick, easy process and that it turned out looking so good. And if you want to get yourself a wig like this, go ahead and check out the description box and all the information will be listed down below. Thank you again to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this unit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed the look as much as I do. And if you did, leave a like and a comment and I will see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.